Hey guys, it's the real Little Phil, and today I'm gonna be playing Garden of Banban 1. So today, yeah, we're gonna be playing Garden of Banban 1, and we will also be playing Garden of Banban 2. So, let's get started. Okay, sprint. Here's a key card. How do I interact? Oh, X. Okay. So, triangles to... I'm playing on PlayStation, by the way. I think it said the controls, but I don't know why I didn't press it. How do I use this? The remote requires 2 batteries. Of course, I have to find 2 batteries. Maybe somewhere in here. Yes. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Monster, me, Claire. Wow. Anyways. Oh. There's a second one. First steps. Eat vegetables and fruits to be strong like me, Jumbo Joss. He doesn't look very tall. Actually, tall. Ah! How do I use it? Use R2 to use your toy. Oh. Can you go into the button right there? There's L2 to teleport to the nearest room. What do you mean? L2. Ah. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. Okay. Click that button for me. Bruh. Yay. Oh, another one. Go. Oh, the door opened. Guys, why am I playing another horror game? Apparently this game isn't as scary as Poppy Playtime. But oh my god. But I heard it is scary. Bird mission. A Bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Where are the eggs? Are they in this room? Oh. This seems easy. Video. And I might even post that video before this video. So I might have to post this video like next. Is any on the slings? No. The end is here. Naughty corner. Oh, I don't have the yellow key card. Oh my god, Lord. Sharing is caring. Your is mine. Blur that out, please. It says ooga booga booga ooga. Fair enough. So there's no eggs in there. Is this like a jungle gym? Oh, I never call it a jungle gym. I call it a playground. What did that do? Don't know. Did I make that button go? Yep. Right there. Boom. Oh. Did I collect all 6 eggs? Yeah, how do I look at my inventory? Never mind, I don't know. Okay, how do I... Oh. 2. I need 2 more. Oh. Wow. I bet you y'all yelled at me in the comments for that one. There's some, like, under the boat. That would be a good spot. Oh, there it is. Wow. Chef. Sure. Okay. And final one. Finally. That. What the? Oh. Oh, through here. Wait, what did I do? Oh, I made that. Perfect. Distract at 1. Guys, I'm getting a little nervous. Move. Press triangle button. Yeah, I know. Emergency stop. I have to jump up there? Oh. Oh, pilot bird is gonna move. Okay. Oh. Wait. Wait. And I'm dead. P. What? Press crop. What? Yo, what? I don't have a good feeling about the fact that there's all footprints there. Okay. Now, what was my color? Okay, you were red, I think. Wait, so I should have kept you. I'm scared something's about to pop up. Okay, so you were red. I'll come back to you. You were green. You were in the beginning. I think you were green. Okay, oh, you were pink. And, okay. You were blue. Uh, you were either white or orange. Well, I don't think octopus can be white, so I'm gonna go with orange. At the same time, they can be any color, so. I'm picking orange for this one. I did it! First try? Okay. No. Yo! Chill! Chill! Chill out. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill. Chill, my man. Chill! 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 Chill out. I'm gonna press this button, alright? You need to chill out. Did you press the dang button? I'm gonna die, bro. Chill. I will backslap you. Oh my god. Yep. Go. Am I running? Yeah, I am. Move! Emergency stop! Ah! I'm out. I'm out. Nope. I'm not having. Because she can climb straight back up. Oh my god, my heart is pounding so fast. No, my god. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Chill. She's going to come back up. It's gonna be like a huge chase scene. Hurry up. Let me in. Don't know where the purple key card is. Hide. I think you need to hide, right? God, my heart. What's in here? What do we do? Okay. Oh, it is way too quiet. Kindness is so free, so sparkle, so sprinkle it everywhere. What's in there? Oh. Wait. Oh no. Can I crouch? Can I not crouch? That does not look... Oh, yeah. Okay. So one of my... Oh, button there is red now. Wait, no, I already clicked that. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Can I go in here? Wait, what? Something else in this office. What? Oh. Huh. This TV's about to turn on. Oh, Pilot's gonna jump out of it, and then it's gonna be like a huge chase scene. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Was I supposed to be down there? Wait, huh? Why did I decide to play this game? Yo? 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 Who's that? Yo? Yo! Jumbo Joss? Yo! Chill! Shh. Oh my god! Chill, bro! Bro, I know I wasn't nice to you! I'm sorry! Well, guys, I guess that's gonna be it for today. Today was quite an exceptional day. I had to find a bunch of eggs, then I attacked some yellow wall, then I got attacked by some weird giant bird who wanted to probably eat me. And then I got attacked by a big guy that I made fun of for not saying that he was that tall. But in the pictures, he does not look that tall. I think I'm like about the height of that red guy, and he does not look any bigger really than them by like 5 inches. But my bad. Apparently, Jumbo Joss is a giant. Well, I guess he's called Jumbo Josh, so his name is Josh, but he's Jumbo. Maybe I need to think about stuff before I like. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Like I said, this is gonna be the last video before I get my mic. I'm getting it today, so I probably need to post it today, maybe, because I'm gonna make like a video about it, and it's only gonna be like 2 minutes long, so I can easily post that. Anyways, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me play Garden of Banban 2, because I know Garden of Banban 0 just came out, and I'm trying to like make that series fast so I can play Garden of Banban 0 while still like popular. But I might just skip to that game. So yeah. So peace. Yep, you guys still? Oh, bye.